Hello friends, good afternoon. Welcome to Momentum Traders Group. In today's video, I was thinking to discuss on some of the trades which I have taken in last week and share with you my analysis and thought process behind taking those trades last week. So, and then those few of those trades are still active, and let's see how those performs in this coming week. So let's see those stocks, guys. So the first stock which I have taken position is GSCL. So as per our junior KG strategy, I have taken position on 8th March, like before end of this close, like almost around 430 level I have taken, and since then this stock is going good. And in fact on Friday this stock gave a very nice breakout with a strong volumes. So after this breakout, I think end of the day I have added a trench also here on Friday itself. So stock is looking very strong in an upward movement, and as per our junior KG strategy, everything is in perfect place in a buying mode. Volumes are strong, stock is uptrend, given a nice breakout after like almost October 2021. So almost like October, November, December, and then these 3 months. So almost like 5-6 months of strong consolidation, the stock has given a strong breakout. So Friday I have added a trench in this one. So let's see how it performs in coming week. Next stock I have taken position is TCI Express. This is, this is one of the favorite stock of our Technofunda group, and if you see, the stock is in complete after this breakout here in May 2021, from 965 to stock went almost like more than double. So from there it started falling, and almost like how much percentage, almost 35% stock corrected, and then it took a strong support at 200 EMA. This black line is 200 EMA, and you can see a very nice consolidation, strong consolidation is going on here. And second important is the stock is at the previous consolidation zone also. If you can see, this entire zone is a very strong consolidation zone, and when in last October, when it broke from this consolidation, gave a very nice movement from here. So the same structure, same pattern I am seeing here also now. So Friday, as per our junior KG strategy, it gave a buy signal over here above EMA 21. So I have initiated a fresh position here. Third important point considering this stock for taking position is, if you see the volumes, when the stock was falling, the volumes are going down and down, and in current situation, if you see, volumes are almost dried up. So I feel if in coming weeks, if there is a reversal in the market and if any trend reversal happens, I think this stock will be in a position to move and give a good upward movement from here. And fourth important point is, my risk is very minimal. You know that I mentioned many a times in previous videos, if the stock closes below this 200 EMA, so I will be out. So my risk is very minimum. I don't have to use a lot of thought process here for exit. Simple exit if the stock closes below 200 EMA. So for that instant I will exit from this position, and then whenever the stock will come up and show the upward movement, again I will enter. But here the strategy is very simple for exit as well as for entry. Third stock which I have taken position is Supreme Petro. Supreme Petro, I have taken position on 3rd March, actually when this trend line broke here with a nice and very strong volumes. If you can see, almost like since years, like the similar kind of volumes I have seen in April 2021, and after that such a big volume has come recently. So when this trend line breakout happened with the strong volume, so end of the day I have taken the position on 3rd March, and after that one day it gave upward movement and then one day downward movement, and again it took a support of EMA 9 and then it started moving up. So since then, if you see the downward movement, the candles are smaller compared to the upward movement candles. If you can see, very heavy volume is coming over here. So considering that, I have taken a fresh position here. It's a first tranche now, and probably I will add the second tranche once it breaks this level decisively with volume which is around 260 to 760 level. Once it closes above this level, probably I will add a second tranche and then go for the upward movement. Third stock which I have taken position is TTK Healthcare. So in this stock I have taken position as per our junior KG strategy. It gave me a buy signal on 3rd of March, but on 3rd of March I have not taken a position. On 4th of March I have taken a position after this breakout of around this level, which is around 730, and then it's a first tranche now. I have taken position, and after that the stock has given a nice upward movement, and as per our junior KG strategy, if you can see, all the other indicators are in a perfect strong buy mode. Now the stock is at the breakout level, which is like almost July 2021. So at a very crucial level, once this stock has already attempted to break this level but could not break, and then the stock has fallen back, and again it came to its support level and taken a support, and then from here again rallied back. So this time I'm hoping in coming weeks this stock will give a breakout over here, and stock will show some upward movement. Yeah, my exit over here will be this line. Where is my entry? So if the stock falls back from here and if breaks this level down, so definitely I will completely exit from this position. Okay, because this is going to break this level, and this level also, if you can see, it's a crucial level. So if it breaks and closes below this, so I think by that time it will break my 21 EMA line as well. So it will be a clear decision to exit from this stock. But considering the structure and considering the stock at this level right now, I am hoping that in coming weeks this stock might show a breakout from here. And again, end of the day, guys, everyone knows that it's all about game of probability. We can just do our study of technical, fundamental charts and everything, but we can't say that it is going to happen 100%. We can just say that it's a probability. This is based on our study. We can make some of our guesswork, but we can't say 100%. It's a market, and market is supreme, and if somebody feels that this price level at this level is not good, probably the stock will fall down as well. So we will just try to make sure that the odds to play in our side. So that's the reason we are making the study of this chart, and then we are taking position. Yeah. Next stock which I have taken position is Aptech, again a very good stock. Where it is, Aptech, yeah, here you go. So you can see till here 18th Jan the stock was very strong in upward movement, like almost like December 2020 it started its upward movement from 135 to 430 40. So it's almost like 3 times 4 times the stock has given return, and from there along with the whole market when started falling, it also, this stock also started falling, and it gave a correction of almost like 30 to 33%, and it took a nice support of 200 EMA and prepared a good consolidation and base over here, and last Friday this has given a nice reversal signature sign from here. In fact, as per our strategy, it gave the buy signal on 3rd March itself, but I think somehow I didn't took a position over here. But this stock was in my watch list, and every day I was watching this, small candles are forming. So basically these are the sign of, contraction, and you see the volumes are also almost drying up. While it was falling, there are no volumes as such when it is falling up, and on Friday this nice bullish green candle formed with a strong volume. So once it closed above this level, which is almost like this level, it is not happening, which is almost like 330. So as soon as this level broke, I took a position. Again, this is the first tranche I have taken, and as the now stock will progress upwards, I will start adding tranches in this one. But looking towards the structure, I feel very good structure, a very good entry point with a very minimum risk. So if my study goes wrong, and if this stock reverses from here, if decisively it closes below this 200 EMA, I will be out of this stock. So as simple as that. And then again when it reverses back, so again I can definitely enter in. So again, there is no big logic behind what to do or where to exit and all those things. Simple strategy, entry point above this level, and if this closes below 200 EMA, I will be exiting. So my risk is very minimum, and I can see risk reward if it goes as per my study, then risk reward is good risk reward I can expect from this stock. Another stock I have taken a position on Friday. In fact, in this stock, which is specialty restaurant, in fact this stock I have already traded. I entered on 5th February. I think I have already posted in the group when I entered on this stock, when this nice breakout happened from here. This breakout when it happened, and in fact I didn't wait for the breakout to happen. As per the strategy, I have entered over here on 3rd of February only. The first tranche I have taken a small quantity over here, and on next day when it gave a very strong bullish candle with a strong volume and gave a breakout, so I have added a tranche in this one. So I have already traded this entire rally, and here I think on almost like after 30% of gain, I exited this stock on 21st of Feb. I have already exited because I was not comfortable with this big upper wicks, because as the stock was going up, there was heavy selling was coming from upside. So stock was not able to sustain the upward price. So because of that, I already exited on this day. I think almost on 21st of February, I completely exited from this stock. But again, this stock was in my watch list, and I was watching this complete consolidation level here, almost like from 21st of February till last Friday. The stock was just in one range. This was trading, and in this time, in fact, the market was falling very badly, but the stock was holding it very, very strongly. So on last Friday, this stock gave a huge volume with a very bullish candle, and if you see the body of the candle is pretty much bigger than the upper wick. So that's the reason on Friday I have taken again the fresh position in this specialty restaurant. And if this entire consolidation it crosses and breaks out above this week of almost like 160 level, if it crosses in coming weeks, so I feel that this stock can give further upward movement in coming days. Next stock I have traded is Rupa. You may be knowing last week pretty much all those textile related stocks were pretty strong. So I have taken position on in this one on Friday. In fact, as per our strategy, it gave a buy signal on 10th March only, but I didn't take a position because that day it made a red candle. So on Friday when it broke this, the close was able to sustain about this red candle, like price which was around 450 and 455. So at this level I initiated my first tranche here. Second, very important, if you see the volumes coming pretty strong. Rest all our strategy indicators like TSI, MACD, both are in a buy, and I hope on Monday if the stocks starts upward journey, even DMI will also become positive. But okay, again here the same logic for me. My risk is very, very minimum and reward is pretty good. If the stock moves upward and at least it goes to its original all-time high, which is almost like 550, so I can see a good return from here, which is almost like 20% return. So reward is pretty good. And if my study goes wrong and this stock reverses from here and closes below this black line, which is 200 EMA, no brainer required. I will just exit from here at that point, and then I will wait again for the signal to come to buy this stock. But if you see the previous history of this stock, the stock fallen, came here, took a support of 200 EMA, and then from here it rallied a nice upward journey. So this was the thought process of taking a position in this stock as well. One stock I will definitely talk about is GNFC. In fact, in GNFC I have taken position when this level broke out, which is almost on 7th of Feb, and if you can see on the same day our strategy gave a perfect buy signal. TSI, MACD, DMI, and even the PSR, everything aligned perfectly, and very important, the volume on this day pretty strong volume. So on this day I initiated a buy on first tranche, and then I rallied. I traded the whole rally from here, and in fact in between on this day even the strategy gave a sell signal, but I somehow considering the whole structure and the volumes, I didn't exit on that particular day, and I was holding my position, and since then I am still holding this position. So from here almost like now 39-40% gain I am sitting in this stock. So I have entered 504, and then next when it broke this level which is around 569 570 level, when this candle formed with a very bullish candle with the volume, I added a trench over here, and then the stock is rallying from here. So looking towards the current structure, I think GNFC is in a very strong upward movement. And second, uh, globally there are a lot of triggers around the fertilizer stocks. So it will be interesting to see how the movement happens in the coming weeks. Yeah. So guys, these are some of the stocks which I have taken position. In fact, if I specifically talk about sugars sector, so I have played kind of a basket uh, strategy here. So I will tell you which are the stocks which I have taken position. Is one is Renuka. Uh, so if you see in this one, the volumes in this last 1-2 weeks are very strong. Volumes are coming. As per our strategy, I have entered on 8th March at around 35 rupees, and then still I am holding, and I am waiting the stock to break this level to add a second tranche. Second stock, in fact in this stock I have taken a position on Friday when this level in fact this strategy, as per our strategy, gave a buy on 28th Feb only, but somehow I didn't took a position. But on Friday, considering the whole sugar market and the kind of movement happened on Friday, oh sorry, this is Andhra sugar, not Awadh sugar. So in this one I am already holding position from here at this level. I entered on 28th February at around 44 level. In fact on Friday I have added a trench over here in this one, second trench, and I am waiting to break this level which is around 165 to add the third trench in this one. Then another stock which I have taken a position on Friday was Awadh sugar. Awadh sugar. Yes, here is this one. So Awadh sugar, in fact, it gave a buy signal as per our strategy on 2nd of March, and from there, if you can see, the stock has already given almost 25% returns. But somehow I was already having positions in Mavana, Dwarkesh, Andhra, Balrampur Chini, and Uttam sugar. So somehow I didn't took a position in Awadh sugar. I just missed this entire rally. But on Friday, when it gave a very strong breakout at this level of 163 with a strong volumes. So considering this entire price volume action, so I have initiated a first tranche on Friday in this stock as well. So this stock also is now into my satellite portfolio. Another one is Balrampur Chini. Balrampur Chini I have entered here on 3rd March, and from here stock has already gave me 15% return, and in fact on Friday when it broke this level, I added a second tranche in this stock as well. So in sugar I am playing all the stock as a basket, and let's see how it performs in this coming week, guys. So these are some of the stocks which I have traded last week, and let's see how it goes in coming week, and let's hope that stock performs, market goes upwards, and we can have some good upward movement after such a big fall in the market. Just last before end of the call, talking about Nifty. So as per the current structure of Nifty, seems it is showing some upward movement, but still the stock is below 200 EMA, so that is one of the concern. But what I have heard or whatever I have read from some good analysts who are into the market since long time, as per their prediction, the market might continue little bit upward movement from here maybe say around 17,500 level, 17,500 or 17,600 level, and from there again it might come down and make a new low, and then probably the stock might see a upward movement. So they that's what their analysis says. But again, we will not go or act exactly what they are saying, but it is just an information, just to know, as we are into the market, so we should know that what's going on in the market. So that's what I am thinking, and let's wait and watch how the market behaves, guys. Thank you very much for this this end from my side. Thank you. Take care.